and then the way with his like photographic or eidetic memory. Let's see how good he really is, huh?
Check these out. These are apples. They are massive, like really big, gigantic apples. It's as if they're like on steroids, but they're not. Basically, like a fruit market kind of thing. There's, oh, look at this delicious ichigo. Oh,
Kurosaki ichigo.
Hey, fresh produce team rep.
Yeah, I look at Woolies and this is fresh. It's really fresh.
Just purchased the ice cream sandwiches. We speaking as Monica and Brian.
Breakfast.
Pretty good.
Yes,
Right.
asagohan.
You know what? I just realized what they're eating.
Everyone's staring at them right now. Like, yo, all the jobs, like staring them off. All the students are like, what the hell?
That's why they look at me.
It's because it was screaming as well.
So today will be our Harajuku day trip. Right after we get some brekkie at some sushi train. And I'm gonna stuff myself and get diabetes at Harajuku. Today is the day that my pancreatic beta islet cells die. Isn't that right, Monica?
Beta islet cells.
Beta islet cells.
There are 3 cells in the pancreas. The other one secretes somatostatin. And the other one secretes. I'm a failing medical student, what do I do?
Oh my god. We are going to Shibuya crossing, famous crossing where thousands of people cross at each set of lights.
So we're gonna do a pub.
It's Hachiko the dog. So the owner died for 13 years or whatever. The dog stayed at the train station waiting.
Oh, we're here.
We're here.
I can't believe it.
Wow,
Dream
man.
come true.
Boy, check this out.
How's it taste?
Good.
No, it does taste good.
Amazing. Oh dang. Got kiwi. Let's have a look.
Kiwi gelato.
Wow. How's it taste, Mon?
It's sweet. I have no comment about sweet stuff.
Okay. How about the lovely couple?
すごいですね。
すごい。おー、すごいです。Fantastic. How much out of 10? 10? 10 out of 10? Oh, alrighty. This tastes amazing. Definitely gonna buy another one on the way back.
Would you like some of mine instead?
What? Yeah, sure. This one probably won't finish it.
No, it's just sweet, but so
Yeah, she's not gonna finish it.
I thought she said that.
Ichiran was so good.
Ichiran was so good. Next minute, didn't even finish. Didn't even like touch the bowl. Hey guys, we're about to go into Purikura, the wonderland of photos and sticker frames and stuff.
DVDs are coming out of me.
Wow. This place is massive. Absolutely massive. Oh shit!
This is hilarious.
$5.10 right now at Harajuku. $5.10. And oh, more crepes. I wouldn't mind actually. And it is pretty much like nighttime out here. Like it looks like it's nighttime right now. So soft. Oh my god. Plushies.
The stuff here is amazing. What do you think, Peter?
So good, but so expensive.
You know, I would rather go to Playtime and play with the claw machines.
No.
No?
Unless
Really?
unless it's to get a Harry Potter magic wand.
These are so cute. Look at all of these.
Beautiful.
This is like glory. Stationery. This is brown. Oh, this is brown. This is Sally. Wow, these are 30 sheets for $5. I'm probably not gonna get them.
Okay guys, after walking up like 3 levels, we finally hear some BTS music. Oh, here we are. Line and Friends BTS.
Yes.
Which is BT21.
The packaging is so great.
No. Japan only.
That's great.
Oh my god, it's so soft.
I'm gonna grow up to be a BTS fan.
So we're at Don Quixote. Apparently it's 24 hours.
I want to step back a bit.
Okay guys, we've walked into Don Quixote and it is crazy in here. Absolutely crazy.
Anything you want in here? No, everything in here.
Everything, anything and everything. We even have back support. $20 for back support. Pretty good. Apparently this place has like 8 levels and there's also, well, for those that are a bit horny, there's also a whole level, or rather a whole section of a level dedicated to sex items.
Are you making anything to me? What is it saying? Oh my god. Oh my god. You bitch.
Speak louder.
Oh my god, this is crazy.
Open 24 hours a day. 24/7, 365. Got some sake for tonight as well. Loaded.
7,500 yen.
I can sing higher than you.